All right, so in Kotlin we have type checks and automatic cast. So the first type check we're going to go over is the is and not is. In Java we had a thing called instance of, or we have a thing called instance of, which checks the type if the value is of a certain type. So it's the same in Kotlin. Is to check if an object or a value is of a certain type. So to do a quick example, we can first let's create a variable, and we're gonna call this thing name because I like names. We're gonna call this name Joey. We can use this name and we can check if it is of type string, and if so, len nice name, and then we'll just put name. So if the value is a string, then we're good to go. Obviously, even beforehand, if we try to use another value, it's just gonna straight up tell you that it's incompatible. It's a string and an int. So you could use this with objects to check if an object is a string. But we're not going over objects just yet. I'm going to go over objects in the future. But is used to check if a type or a variable or a value is of a certain type. So pretty convenient. We also have a negated version of that. So it's legit just adding a not in front of this. And if name is not of type string, then we'll do something. If not, then we can have an else case, and we'll just print out it is a string. So boom, so we can check if it is a string and if it is not a string. In this case it is a string, so we'll just catch that in the else. So different ways to check if a value or a variable is of a certain type, just like instance of in Java.